Hello friends, this is the Android Studio video I promise I'll do. I'm going to make it very brief. So here is a JDK. Before you install Android Studio is a program that runs with Intel GA. You can go and research more about them online. So I'm really focusing on explaining Android Studio here. So you go online and search for JDK and then install the latest version of JDK to your laptop. And then this is JDK. You go to the first link and then install, after which you come also on Google and search for Android Studio, and then you see it at the first page and then you install it. So after installing this, you install this Android Studio will work perfectly. It's not really hard on how to install it. It's just simple procedures, so it's not hard. Okay, now we are going to work on our own app. After installing the Android Studio, you should have something like this. In Android Studio there are folders. This is the manifest folder, which is this one that I'm currently on. Manifest folder where you add some instructions, some permissions your app uses on the Android device. And this is your main layout. You can see the view of the main layout. You have something like this in the main layout. That depends on your project. So we are going to go here to create a new Android project, your first Android project. So you click on this and then you will see some options. Then you go to new project. On new project you go to new project. So this is new project. So these are the kinds of layouts they have. I'm going to choose the empty kind of layout. So I click on it and then I select next under it. Okay, this is where the work is. Here is the name of your application, which is my application, and here you put the name of the company you want people to see. And here will be where the file will be saving on your laptop. And then here you have to choose whether you know how to write Java or Kotlin, but in this tutorial I'm be using Java. And then here you have to choose the devices. So it's pretty much advisable for you to use 100% of Android, which is 4.0. Then click finish. So you can see here the application is loading. It's going to take time for it to load finish. Yeah, if it was to be your first time, it's going to take a whole lot of time for it to load. You just have to have patience. Okay, so after the whole waiting, this is what we get. And when Android Studio finish loading, it's going to show you a build success message, and also you have this kind of corrections. All of them will be ticked. If all of them is not like this, that means we have an error somewhere. So this is where your Java files will be. This here, look at my mouse. This will be where your Java files will be, and this is XML. XML in Android is like a program you use to program the interface of everything you see in an Android phone. So as I said, this is going to be a brief video. So in Android Studio you can actually choose a phone that you can use. You can zoom on this now. Saying hello world. Let me say zoom in. Showing hello world. So this is the default text that comes with the kind of layout I choose. Actually is general or the whole kind of layout. This is the default text, so you will turn it into what you want it to be. So it's pretty much simple, and also it's very complex. So here are some of the gadgets they have. Let's start something. Let's first of all make our first project. I'll drag and drop the button. So if you need a button, you can actually drag and drop the button. So you see it's drag and drop. So I'll just guys. Then I hope you can really see the move this, so you got to constrain it up and constrain it down, constrain it to the left, and also constrain it to the right, so for you to get, then you can now move it. So why I did this, I don't want to have any error viewing it on Android phone, which means it's going to be the same size in all kinds of phones. Okay, so here we have plenty kind of gadgets. You have the text where somebody can type something, just drag and drop it inside there, and you can implement the method in Java. So just as I've said, this is going to be a basic tutorial on how to install and run your first app. So in Android Studio, I have plenty files, and these are manifest files. I've said about it before. This is where your permission files are. Android have permissions like SMS, touchlight, earpiece, camera. All those things are permissions in Android Studio. So this rest is where this place is where layout will be. This drawable where your images will be, and this is layout. So this is actually the layout, the XML. So this is the layout itself, and map is a file, a place where they store the files that you want to use offline but online inside the app. And here are the color, strings and style. You can change and modify things. This is just a basic video on how to install your first app. So on your first app, I would like to, sorry for my hand, I would like to change the text. So what I do is click on the text. Okay, so go over to the edge here. Go over to the edge here. I view all. You can constrain resize, and I want to type something here. Okay, you go to the text. This is a design, which is this design. Then if you don't want to see the design, you go to the text, and then you will see the text. Then you search for where hello world is. In my case, this is where the hello world is. So I will type, changing the hello world to this is my first app. Sorry that I'm typing slow. I'm really fast in typing, so just for the sake of this tutorial. And then if I'm going to explain to you guys how to use this beta mode, how to add Java code into this and implement it. So this is all. So view it text mode, and then if you zoom into this world, you will see where the thing is. This is my first app, so any changes we make them also be made here. So now if you want to run the app on a real Android device, you have to connect your app to your laptop. Now go to your settings and on your developers option. Okay, if you don't know how to on your developers option, you can go to your settings, go to your about phone, the place where Android version is, look for the build number and then tap on it. Developers option will come up, and then once it come up, you go to the developers option and on the debug USB. So after I switched on Android Studio, you can see it. So I'm going to go ahead to run this on a an Android visual design here. I'm using a LibDroid in case you want to get it. The name is LibDroid, so I'm going to run the app here. So Android Studio will go ahead, search for the thing, and then bring it up. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to click OK, and then Android Studio will go ahead to run the app and then launch it inside the thing. So we have to wait for that. So to cut the long story short, after the running, Android Studio will install it on the device you connected, and this is what we have. This is just a basic application. This is the application name. You can change it in the string. You can change the application name on the string. So this is type string. Okay, this is where the application name is stored. You can change it and then rerun it. So this is just a simple way how to make your own app. Thank you.